Audi RS4 Avant is mechanically like the RS5, with those two sharing numerous parts, most outstandingly the amazing 450 horsepower 2.9-liter V6, which is a twin-turbocharged variety of the S4's single-turbo 3.0-liter motor. This powerplant springs from a motor improvement organization with Porsche, in which Audi handles the V6S and Porsche the V8S. You can likewise discover it introduced in the Porsche Panamera S and the forthcoming cutting-edge Cayenne S. To be valued at what might as well be called about $95,000 when it shows up in European dealerships in mid-2018, the Audi RS4 Avant is marginally less expensive than its RS5 car in Germany. What's more, its station wagon body makes it extensive, striking, and, to our eyes, unbelievably attractive.